Tired of so-called experts promising that trading is easy money? They won't tell you the real challenges. Instead, they will sell you dreams of quick riches. But is it really that simple? And what does it take to start making serious money? In this video, I'll break it all down for you. No fluff, no hype. Plus, I'm sharing a proven strategy that can help you level up your income. So get ready, let's dive right in. Before we begin, let me explain the strategy's logic. At first glance, it may seem simple, but there are key nuances to consider. I use CCI oscillator. When the curve crosses the upper boundary, it signals a sell opportunity. This indicates that the price is often overextended, leading to pullback and red candles. That's a sign that the asset is overbought and likely to decline. These are the key entry points. Next, I refer to the envelope indicator. When candles break above the upper band, there is a high probability of a price reversal. At this point, the chart tends to reject the resistance zone, creating a potential turnaround. Every time the candle touches the upper line of the envelopes, it's also considered a signal to open a short position. I'm showing this as a sell signal, your cue to enter trade for a downward move. The rules for long position work the same way, just in reverse. Yeah, price needs to touch the lower boundary of the channel. Then, we look for mirror image when the CCI lines rise from the oversold zone. Today we'll break down all the signals of this strategy in real trading. And at the end, I'll reveal the exact indicator settings I use. So, watch this video to the end. Let's begin. Yes, right here, this looks promising. Watch how I identify the support level. An experienced trader can spot this at a glance. The price stalls exactly in this zone. It can break below the last low, almost as if something is holding up. At the same time, the chart touches and bounces off lower envelope's boundary, and the CCI curve already tried to exit the oversold zone a few minutes ago. So, I expect it to turn upward again, and for the price to follow. While we wait for the trade to close, let me share some hard truths about trading. Success takes time. Your learning curve could be a month or a year. It all depends on your dedication. But hear this warning, ignore those flashy ads claiming trading is easy money and that you'll master it overnight. New traders often fall for ads promising quick profits with a magic indicator, only to lose their money in the end. Meanwhile, I've just locked in my first profit of the day. A solid start. Today, I'll be pushing my deposit aggressively, going all in on every trade, but I forbid you from doing the same. This is an extremely risky approach. Even I don't get it right on my first try. I might risk a few $dozen and reshoot a few ticks for your sake. But remember, only trade with money you can afford to lose. Alright guys, let's open another long position. Look at the earlier candles. Do you notice those long wicks? Now the price is retesting the support zone. But I'm betting on a bounce. I've entered again on a mirror pullback, confident in the system signals and my market analysis. But let's be real though, the market isn't as simple as it seems. Anyone who tells you trading is easy as a pie is outright lying to you. Think about it, you can't become a doctor or a lawyer by taking a crash course for the week, right? Any are promising that will sound ridiculous. Mastering those professions takes years of study. So why do some believe they can learn profitable trading in just a few days? Sure, in trading, you can quickly pick up on one strategy and start making occasional profits, like I'm doing here. But consistent success, that requires real knowledge because I don't rely on indicator, I analyze charts too. Let's take a short break. Meanwhile, I'll look for the next trade opportunity. We are seeing almost the same setup as before, just with a slightly different pattern. But all the signs point to a likely trend reversal happening right now. Plus, the CCI curve is trying to enter the overbought zone, which means the price could spike upward at any moment. That's why I'm going long. Let me be clear, if you're looking for a get-rich-quick scheme with no efforts, you'll have better luck at the casinos. At least there, the odds are up front. Right now, the chart dipped slightly, and I might take a loss. But I knew the risk, and look, it's already bouncing back up. My analysis seems correct, though I might have jumped the gun on the entry. No turning back now. Let's see how it plays out. People often ask where to learn. I used to hunt for trading wisdom in online forums, but I've realized not all advice out there is worth taking. Boom guys, another win. My balance is now up $63. Wow, look at the surge. Told you so. Experience pays off, but this time I'm going short. Here's why. Eyes on the chart. Guys, look at this. The currency pair is squeezed between two pressure zones and is likely to keep bouncing between them for a while. This happens when too many traders position pile up on both sides. And there it goes. Plus, sharp move like this often gets smoothed out by a pullback. That's why shorting at the candle's peak was the right call. Now, about those forums, most advice there came from newbies just like I was back then. I grabbed strategies that worked great for the first few weeks, but they always ended up burning me later. It took me years to realize markets keep changing. Survival means adapting, but you've got it easier. My channel and Telegram group, links below, give you proven strategy and real-time signals, like the winning trade we just made. Check the description for links. Meanwhile, I'll hunt for our next money move. Alright, this is straightforward. As you can see, the price has been outside the envelopes for a while now, and the CCI has been stuck in the overbought zone. We had a strong trend. All we needed was to wait for the momentum to fade and catch the correction for profits. Now I'm seeing candles forming with upper wicks. This time they are above the body and the CCI is bouncing from the oversold zone. This means the rally hits resistance and we are likely looking at a reversal. Meanwhile, while we wait, let me answer some common questions. How to become a trader? The biggest myth. You don't need special equipment. Chances are you already have everything you need. Forget about supercomputer with multiple monitors. Even the strategy I'm showing today just requires your attention and patience. Alright guys, looks like we're about to score our first big win. Yes, $200 in the account now. Time to turn up the heat. But remember, the higher the reward means higher risk. I'm considering re-entering short. We are seeing a strong rejection at resistance. The assets keep bouncing off this level. Okay, don't rush to skip this video. Understand that many things I said might sound unclear. That's normal. When I first started trading a couple years ago, my brain was exploding from all this strategy, divergences, and technical analysis. But now, you have a choice. Either go through the same path I did and learn how to trade on your own while burning through your deposits at early stages, or can start trading with artificial intelligence that provide ready, tested signals and will help you earn, even if this is literally your first day in trading. Together, my team and I have developed a unique software and have put into it my experience multiplied by AI capabilities. This is an application that monitors and analyzes charts 24/7 and gives you 72% accurate signals. All you need is to enter the trade at the right time with the right signal. That's all. Want to know how it works? Subscribe to my Telegram channel via link in the description and I will explain to you everything. And most importantly, you will get this for absolutely free. So DM me on my Telegram. See you guys. And now we continue. The definitive signal here is when price breaks through the lower envelope boundary and consolidates below it. The chart is basically gathering momentum for the next leg down. The CCI curve is trending downward. Couldn't be simpler. No, it's not exactly the pattern I described earlier. But we shouldn't be dogmatic about the rules. When conditions align, why not capitalize? Guys, quick reminder, I'll reveal my indicator settings at the end. Test the system yourself, at least on a demo account, so stick around. But let me warn you about another rookie trap, getting stuck in demo mode forever. Imagine an 8-year-old points a water gun at you and demands your wallet. You just laugh, right? Demo trading is that kid. Play money means play psychology. Losses feel meaningless. You will take it seriously for maybe a few days or a week as a maximum, then either get overconfidence or never transition to real trading, and you continue to play trading. Demos are great for learning platforms and testing concepts. It's also good for initial testing of your trading strategy, but that is different. Real trading triggers like fear or greed will influence your decision. Most profit on demo, but fail with real money because psychology matters. My advice, learn on demo, but limit testing to 1 week. Real growth happens when real money is at stake. Therefore, I recommend testing the system in a demo, or not more than 1 week though. To start earning and get a taste of real money and big wins, Like this, 600 from 11. But this pair tapped out. Time to hunt new opportunities. Guys, let me show you how to apply technical analysis to any strategy. First, we identify key levels using candlesticks and recent price highs. Then, we determine the trend phase. Right now, it's bearish, giving the strong downward momentum. Now, the indicators have given a clear signal, and I'm over 90% confident this trade will close in profits. Let's be honest, most beginners are drawn to the market for the money, and that's okay. The profit potential makes regular salaries look small, but it won't happen as fast as you might hope. You already know that the market is not always a way to get rich instantly, although there are such examples too. Brokers will tell you otherwise to win your business, but seasoned traders know this is a career. The market isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, though exceptions exist. The momentum isn't exhausted yet. As long as the CCI stays in the oversold zone, another trade is justified. Let's do it. Like any career, mastery takes time before payoff. So ask yourself, do I have the drive to succeed? Do I have enough patience and discipline to endure the grind? If not, trading isn't for you. Profits come only after mastering the basics, crafting a trading plan, and also rigorous risk management. Then, strategy development, testing, and refinements. Many want to skip straight from step 1 to profits in just days, but the truth is, you will need to walk through each stage systematically before the money starts flowing. Like right now, guys, this is insane. I've already pulled in $2,000, not chump change, but I'm going for one more play. Need the right setup. If the chart retraces up, I'll re-enter. The CCI hasn't fully left the oversold zone yet. Bingo, retrace hits. This is a high probability trade, so I'm going all in one last time. Double or nothing. Sure, I'm risking the last $11 in this account, but hey, I've got $2K locked in. Could have spent it on a fancy date or mom's gift, but this bet, what's it, agree? Drop a comment and I'll read them all. But I am sure that such risk was justified. What do you think? Write in the comments. It will be interesting for me to read. Boom! Chart is nosediving. This trade is golden. Want more of this? Join my Telegram channel. I drop signals daily so you can profit and master the game for a lifelong income. 1 second later, jackpot guys, $3,500 in total. Enough risk for today. Now, the indicator settings are used. But here are the exact settings. Match this for precise signals. They are custom tuned for current trends and the 1 minute time frame. All values are individual. I recently developed them to match the market trend and perform well on a 1 minute time frame. Basically, that's it. Test this on demo first, but remember, real growth starts when real money is involved. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell. This way, you'll get notified when I drop my new videos about my fresh trading strategies that will actually work. So, all the best. Wishing you a successful trade. See you in the next video.